everybody, welcome back. Hi. So this is going to be a very short video. I don't know, probably going to be long anyways at the same time. I just wanted to do a quick unboxing of this figure. I'm just really excited. This is my first of many. But anyway, first figure of Rengoku. Is one of my favorite Demon Slayer characters, and I plan to buy many more since there's like thousands and different figures of him doing different poses. Like there's so many figures of Rengoku, and this is the first of many, so I'm very excited to unbox this. I actually got this at Comic-Con last weekend, which was amazing, and I actually have a knife to actually open this properly. I won't open it like an animal like I usually do. Okay, let me be careful because on the box right here it says open carefully in Japanese. If I translated that correctly, I don't know. I hope I did. There we go. I think that's all the tape. What? Nice! I'm so excited! I love it. Oh, I just mentioned the box looks amazing. I love that. Very pretty. I'm gonna keep the box so that he has something to sit on, if that makes sense. Let's take this out. And it's not a figure that you have to like put together this time. It's already like, there's no self-assembly needed. You don't have to build or put it together. It's just like that. That's nice. Whoa, he looks awesome. So cute. Okay, let's take him out of the box. Oh my gosh. Where's the tape? Okay, I need to be careful. Okay, careful now. Whoa, that is great. He looks so good. So cute. Okay, I will share like close-up pictures at the end of this video or something like that. But yeah, you get the point. I'm sure you've seen this figure many times. But I'm so happy. This is my first figurine of him and I'm so happy with it. It looks great. I love it so much. Wow. Very happy. Thank you for watching. Bye.